Trust HANSEN is 7:23 p.m. and the radiation is so bad in the back of my head that it's waking me up right out of a dead sleep. The whole kitchen is just engulfed in radiation from the signal box that's on top of the building just behind bus stop 386, diagonal from Charles's apartment here. They're focusing psychotronic microwave weapons into the kitchen, right diagonal to where I lay. And like I say, the microwaves are so bad, the radiation is so bad that I'm just laying here and all I can feel is programs being programmed into my head with these radio microwaves and this voice to skull coming from Pearl Harbor HICKAM Air Force Base as they use a signal box to, I guess what they call neuro-linguistic programming, with these radio microwaves. My whole head is just in pain and I'm dizzy, and it's just it's all I can feel is these radio microwaves just taking my mind over. This is a record of it again.